Senior leader of All India Congress Committee, Shashi Tharoor, will visit Shillong tomorrow to attend the important party meetings. The visit of Tharoor assumes significance as the assembly elections are just few months away and the Congress party is at its lowest in Meghalaya right now, with not even a single legislator. It would be interesting to see if Tharoor's visit to Shillong would help in reviving the party which ruled the state for decades. Meanwhile, suspended Congress legislator from East Shillong constituency Ampereen Lyngdoh has alleged that the Congress party has disintegrated and rejected all the 5 sitting legislators and instead have decided to put up their own candidates. Stating that she has complete faith in the Congress party, Lyngdoh stated that the 5 suspended Congress legislators have decided to complete their tenure as Congress legislators before shifting to other parties.
Discussion of fate of the 5. I think it has become very clear. I think the media is following this matter very keenly. I think you already know who the Congress candidate is from 16 East Shillong. You have also announced it in all of your channels. So what happens to this sitting Congress? Shall I sit down and do nothing? Or shall I move forward? This is the question I'm asking my people in my campaign trail. Likewise, even my friend is asking the same questions to our people. So there is no question of fate. We are completing our term as per the mandate given to us by our people from one party, and that is the Congress party.
The 2 days Tri-Hills